Hello everyone, welcome to Predis.ai, an AI tool that allows us to create content using artificial intelligence, as I mentioned. They show us that we can create creative ads and more. It acts as an assistant, helping us create a calendar that automatically schedules content creation. This offers a level of automation. We have the content scheduler I mentioned, plus the ability to publish on multiple accounts. It lets us edit content after generation, has an app, and more. Let's check it out. How can we use Predis AI for free? For that, I recommend going to their official website, Predis AI, and simply clicking the Try for Free button. I always suggest disabling Brave's shields and similar protections. From here, as you can see, we can start with Shopify, Google, WooCommerce, Facebook, or others. I'm going to start with Google. Once we've logged in and granted access to our account, as you can see, we're now in the Predis AI section. Alright, let's see how we can create content using pre-design. This AI tool allows us to create content for businesses or e-commerce. We simply choose one of the two options. As you can see, both do the same, whether for social media or ads. The video will be 15 seconds. We can make an image or video. Let's select a video as an example. We'll set it to vertical format, which is ideal, then hit continue. Here we should provide context for our ad. Let's say our ad is for, I've just asked ChatGPT for some context, okay? I'll paste it here and click continue. We're currently promoting an AI automation course. There might be one on this channel in the future. As you see, we can manually edit the headline, subheading, etc. It does a pretty good job actually. It transforms your workspace with AI and automates tasks like in the artificial intelligence course. Here we can select the number of variants if we want different ones. We can choose a template if we wish, or let AI choose, giving us 7 variants, for example. I'm not sure if there's a credit limit, they're not clear about it. Then we can use AI-powered POS or premium stock. In more settings, we can change the subtitle length. If we wanted medium long, I'll set them to short, and the color palette generated by AI will hit generate and see what it creates based on these templates and format. There's the output, so we just pick one it generated, like this one. Looks good with the Enibra bank and all. Let's hit play, see what it's done. As you can see, it's a super simple post, 8 seconds long. It transforms your workflow, literally using the text we've been given. Let's check out other templates to see what it's created for us. But well, as you can see, it's a super typical ad post. Super typical, that's all there is to it. So this way we can generate images and videos with this tool. I repeat, it's really just a super typical ad post. If it pops up and interests you, great. But if not, it won't grab your attention. In other words, it's nothing special, but at least this way we avoid spending money on making the ad in case we need to hire someone and so on. So yeah, it's that simple. Alright, how can we automate this? Once we've made several videos in pre-design, how can we set them up to upload automatically? Basically, we're going to, first, we go to brands and social accounts. Here, we'd add Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, and other platforms where we want to post our videos. As you can see, we have a competitor analysis here. Apparently only for Instagram and Facebook. Now let's go to the content calendar. Let's say, for example, today, which is the 7th, we select this video and it asks us to choose a social media platform where we'd like to publish or schedule our post. Then you'd select your account and video, and this way we'd manually link, or rather select each video that we want to be published automatically on that day to our platform. It's that simple. It'll post automatically at the time we set, and that's how we can use this tool. How can we automatically post our content on calendar? On Predis.ai, it has this start auto posting feature which we select, and as you can see it says put your social networks on autopilot with this AI powered tool for automatic video uploads. Here it explains how it works, and basically we collect our last 50 products from one of our posts, we transform them into scroll videos, okay? Short vertical videos. We can edit them if we want, and they'll be automatically posted to all our linked channels, okay? AI will generate new content weekly and notify us for review, okay? So we just click get started, and as you can see, it asks us to link our e-commerce, okay? On our e-commerce page, we input at least 8 topics we cover and link to at least one of our social networks, right? As you can see, it also requires us to provide at least 3 brand colors, and we have that option, right? We can post automatically for 8 days daily or upgrade to post 2 or 3 times a day, okay? This depends on the payment plan and other factors. So that's how this tool works, and that's how we can post automatically. Finally, let's review Predis.ai's payment plans, a tool that lets us easily create and publish AI-generated content. So we'll simply click on pricing, There's also a way to share the AI, and for each friend we refer, we'll earn 5 extra posts. Not bad, but let's focus on the billing plan. We'll set it to monthly, starting at $35 per month. As you know, for $35 we can publish 1 video per day automatically. As shown here, for $65 we get 2 posts daily, and for $276, which is quite pricey, we get 3 posts daily. They also let us create different brands for $5 each. I haven't tried it, but you can switch between brands if you have multiple social channels. If we have different social network, I think by default we should get one. If we want more posts, it says we naturally get 60 credits, allowing us to create 60 minutes of content. For that price, we'd get 70 more credits. It mentions 25,000 words monthly, over 5 million premium assets, 50 minutes of background voice, etc. Is it pricey or cheap? Given it auto-publishes content, AI generated and automated, not needing you to log in, create content or approve it, I think it's cheap. $35 monthly for daily auto-posted videos on your socials, that's a bargain if you ask me. Yes, it's true that the content might be cooler if it were a bit more elaborate, but we're at the start of AI where everything's developing. But it's true, again, you have no idea what it'd cost to make and publish these videos in terms of time and money. If you hired people, you'd be paying for about 40 hours of human work or even more, which you now spend $35 a month on, ensuring everything's done well. It's incredible. So these are the payment plans, and that's my review. Hope you liked it.